Hello everyone. Today's topic name is Introduction to JSP. So JSP means Java Server Pages, and it is used for creating web application just like a servlet technology. So here JSP are used in programming language because the extra features added in the JSP. So JSP stands on a Java server pages. These JSP pages are used for the HTML tags and JSP tags. So JSP pages are easier to maintain than servlet because we can separate designing and development. So in JSP pages we create the designing and development are in a separate pages. So it provides some additional features such as expression language, custom tags in a JSP. So we can JSP pages are used for it is easy than the servlet and extra functionality in added in the JSP than the servlet. So next advantages of JSP over servlet. First extension to servlet. JSP technology is the extension to servlet technology. We can use all features of servlet in a JSP. In addition, we can use implicit object, predefine the tags, expression language, and custom tags in JSP that make JSP development easy. So in JSP we use the two expression language, custom tags in JSP are used. For this using the development are easy for the JSP. Next, easy to maintain. So in servlet, we not design HTML, code Java mixed together. So in JSP we separated code and cleaner and easier to manage the HTML page also Java code. Next, fast development. Changes in JSP pages, just refresh, no need of the recompiler. It is easy for the JSP pages. It's in servlet we changes in the servlet we recompile that program. So next is a less code than servlet. So JSP is a ready-made tags are provided, that is custom tags and implicit object. In servlet are not provided this predefined ready to tags. Next point, life cycle of JSP. So here life cycle of JSP, first translation of JSP pages. Translation of JSP pages in that step, uh, the converted JSP pages into a servlet. Okay. Next, compilation. In compilation steps, the servlet is compiled the bytecode of our JSP pages. And next, installation. So installation means object classes are created. Next, request processing. The container invokes method JSP service. Next, destroy. The JSP destroy method runs when JSP are removed into the our memory. So that is the life cycle of JSP pages. Next, features of JSP. First, coding in JSP is easy as just adding Java code to HTML and XML. Next, reduction in the length of code. So in JSP we use action tags, custom tags. Their tags are already ready in the JSP. Connection to database is easy. It is easier to connect website to database and allows to read or write data easily to the databases. So third one, make interactive websites. In this, we can create dynamic web pages which helps users to interact in real-time environment. So portable, powerful, flexible and easy to maintain are the JSP pages. That is a browser and server independent. Next, redeployment and no recompilation. Why no need to recompilation? So JSP are a secure platform independent and no need to recompilation because it custom tags or action tags are already ready. in JSP pages.